Zhang, Andrew Miles. This is the wonderful MBAengage.com that you see before you, and I am attempting to integrate FlowPlayer into MBAengage.com in two ways. The first way, as we already discussed, is more straightforward, and I have an example live on one of these 4 pages. These 4 pages are all identical in terms of layout, and let's have a look at on-campus services. I have a video here with a form beneath and text which describes the service to the left. Each one of these 4 pages will be the same. The video has a splash image which I can control. At the moment it has a placeholder, and I will replace that with whichever image I choose. It has an email, and it has embed code as part of it. So I've achieved all of that myself, at least. If I click play, the video starts playing. I haven't managed to tell or prove to FlowPlayer that by the coding that I'm using a legit version, so it keeps sticking this damn branding here. So that's one problem I'm having. But overall, it's a reasonably straightforward thing, just playing a video. The complicating factor is that I am hosting it on in Fluxus, which I'd probably like to carry on doing for various reasons. And in Fluxus requires that because it's on an RTMP server, it requires that I embed the video in the page in a different way, and I can't quite figure out how to do that. However, there is a tutorial on the FlowPlayer website which addresses that question directly, but buggered if I can work it out. Okay, that's correct. That's number 1. Number 2, bit more complicated. Let's go to the front page of MBAengage.com. You will see here a rough space where it says featured videos. This is directly copied off of Hulu.com. You see here they have a space where it talks about featured videos. On Hulu.com, if one clicks on one of these featured videos, you get taken to a different page. You then get to watch that video, or at least you do if you are in the US. That's the identical setup I want to achieve. I want to go to work, video and interview some interesting people in the course of my day, come home, upload that video to my Influxus account, and because I've done so, I want my MBAengage.com site to automatically, dynamically, marvelously update with an ever-increasing collection of relevant videos. So there are a number of things which go into that, I'm aware. I have this page here. If one clicks on the description text, I have this page again, just a mock-up really, but the video which appears here obviously needs to relate to the thumbnail, etc. And stop playing there. If one was to look at FlowPlayer, go to documentation, which brings up all of their demos, and take a look at playlists. For example, the more relevant one might be YouTube-like related videos. You see what I mean there. They have the same thing in different layouts. You click on that link, it will play one video. Click on that link, it will play another video. Can't bother to wait for them to come up, but you get the general picture. So those are the 2 things I'm trying to achieve really. This Hulu-like effect, which is a dynamically updating website, and then just the more standard embedded things which I haven't really got going properly yet, but I've made a start. Hope that all makes sense. Chat to you later.